Well, hello there, and welcome to Joe's Career Shack. I'm Joe, and today we're going to do something a little special for you. We're going to rehouse an HMAC, or also known as Togo Starburst tarantula, a pretty little gray and black tarantula. And I've done most of the prep work on the soil, getting into the enclosure, so why don't we just get right into the rehousing so you can enjoy seeing her. Alright, I've already put the soil into the enclosure. I'm using an Exoterra enclosure today. And I've already have the general stuff that I'm going to put inside the enclosure out already. So let's get with it. I'm using a piece of cork bark here. Going to set it back in here and get anchoring in pretty good, so it's not going to fall over. I got a piece of branch material I'll use. It's kind of getting what aesthetically looks pleasing to you. The tarantula could really care less. It just merely wants a decent place to hide. Okay, then I've got some trimmings here from a plant in one of the other enclosures. These will actually stay alive quite a while just by keeping the tips moist. Yeah, there you go. Again, you're just going for the aesthetics. You know, what looks good to you. In this case, for me. Alright. Kind of like that. And we'll set a water bowl in here. Here nice up front so it's easy to fill. A little water in here. Handy dandy turkey baster from your grocery store. Works great for keeping your hands out of there. And now we will commence with the complicated part. Now don't do this at home. This is me taking my chances. Alright. There we go. We have a Togo Starburst HMAC for short. And she's a little jumpy, but well, it shouldn't be bad. Ooh, she's a little threat pose, Ooh. There we go. There we go. She's all in. Close that up. I wouldn't recommend you do that yourself unless you feel comfortable. Alright, that's going to cover it for today's rehousing of the Togo Starburst HMAC Tarantula. I hope you enjoyed it. It was fun making it, and always a little exciting when you're dealing with an HMAC. Well, at this time, if you could take a moment to like and subscribe, and then hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future content. And as well, add in those comments below any species specific content you would like to see. Let me know, and we'll see what we can do. Well, to the next thing, here's the Critter Shack signing off. You have a great day. Bye bye.